Hi, to change default browser on your iPhone 16e, go in Phone Settings first. And here you would need to scroll all the way down to find this last section apps. So right now, just pick this, tap Default Apps, and find Browser app here in the list. Once you click it, you'll got few options. So you can either use Safari, Apple app as your default one, or if you got an alternative app such as Opera, Google Chrome, and so on, then you will find it in this list and you'll be able to set it as your default. So for example, I got Google Chrome installed and I can set it as my default by tapping it. And now Chrome will be used to open links and browse the web. If you have multiple browser apps, you can change the default, as I said before. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.